So I ordered this coal like stove slash water heater thing off of Wish. It's a really small unit. It came today. We're gonna open it up right now. We're gonna look at it together. It's shipped from Turkey. The lady at the post office was all excited when I went in. She's like, Mike, you got a package from Turkey. It was cool. But here it is. We're gonna pop it open. Let's take a look. Here it is. That's how they shipped it from Turkey. It's wrapped, there's so much tape on this, and it's like a big styrofoam box. There it is. The Smokestack. This was made to use indoors. You have your little coal chamber down here, or small wood. You know, you have your exhaust. You can fill this up with water right in here. So this is supposed to be like a steam hot water tank. There's a hole for the spigot. But here's a pipe extension for this, so we can, you know, run an exhaust to the outside. You know, this could be used in a tent or anything too. And again, I got to get the water spigot here. I have it inside the box and attach it, so you can tap hot water to make tea or coffee or whatever off of this as well. And I'm assuming here this is just to let the steam out. I can imagine if you had a small pot or you know, a cup of something you needed to heat up, you could probably set it right up on top of this tray and do that as well. But I thought this was cool because it's super small, and my idea was to incorporate this into the camper so I could heat some stuff up and cook stuff and do things and keep it warm inside, you know, with using maybe a little bit of coal and not necessarily using all of the gas. So this is pretty cool. We're going to fire it up later. We're going to give it a check it out and see how well it works. There it is. You know, all in all, it seems like a pretty cool little stove. It's just, I'm not 100% sure that it should be really used for indoor. It did suggest that you could when I purchased it, but again, I bought it off of Wish. So who knows what they use indoors wherever Wish is, right? They could use anything. It looks like ash and stuff, if you had too much in there, you know, could like potentially spill out the front. You know, it shouldn't be hot ash. And again, it's meant for coal. So it's not like you're going to have, you should have crackling and everything else. It's a coal stove. So I'll have to build a platform. I think that was a 2-inch pipe. I'm going to go pick up some pipe and some fittings. I'm going to bend up a 90 and put it outside, you know, and run it outside. And we'll give it a test. Give it a testy run. You see what happens. It's all you can do, right? So ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to thank you all for watching. And you know, as always, I love you all today, tomorrow, and forever. Peace.